Hundreds of thousands of plant species exist in the world today. Scientists informally group plants into two major groups: the non-vascular plants and the vascular plants. Non-vascular plants are plants that lack a well-developed system of tubes for transporting water and other materials. Non-vascular plants are low-growing and do not have roots for absorbing water from the ground. Instead, they obtain water and materials directly from their surroundings. The materials then simply pass from cell to cell. This means that materials do not travel very far or very quickly. This slow method of transport helps explain why most non-vascular plants live in damp, shady places. Most non-vascular plants have only thin cell walls to provide support. This is one reason why the plants cannot grow more than a few centimeters tall. Plants with true vascular tissue are called vascular plants. Vascular plants are better suited to life in dry areas than are the non-vascular plants. Their well-developed vascular tissue solves the problem of transport, moving materials quickly and efficiently throughout the plant's body. Vascular tissue also provides strength, stability, and support to a plant. Thus, vascular plants are able to grow quite tall. Which organisms were the ancestors of today's plants? In search of answers, biologists studied fossils, the traces of ancient life forms preserved in rock and other substances. The oldest plant fossils they think could be 400 million years old. The fossils show that even at that early date, plants already had many adaptations for life on land, including vascular tissue. Better clues to the origin of plants came from comparing the chemicals in modern plants to those in other organisms. In particular, biologists studied the green pigment chlorophyll found in the chloroplasts of plants, algae, and some bacteria. Land plants and green algae contain the same forms of chlorophyll. This evidence led biologists to infer or come to the conclusion that ancient green algae were the ancestors of today's land plants. Further comparisons of genetic material clearly showed that the plants and green algae are pretty closely related. In fact, some scientists think that perhaps green algae should be classified in the plant kingdom.